Hi folks, this is Tech with Akash channel. Okay, so in this video I will be going to show you the demo of the daily news app. Okay, so you will get the clear understanding how the basic flow of the news app it is there. If you uh, want to get the information about this app more into the depth and into the details, I'm just recording this video to get the how the video should look like and how you can go through this app actually. Okay, so in this app I will just try to get to clear understanding. Okay, you will get understanding like how you can just walk through that. This app is not related to any no collection of the data. It is basically you will get the information, that's it. Okay folks, so this is about this video is actually exactly basically. Now if I'm just clicking on this actually now news daily news app, if you just click on this, right, if I'm just clicking on this app, you will be going to get the understanding about like whatever the things is about actually. Now if you want to look at the screenshot part, you will get that this is one of the splash screen. First screen will be something like this, and after this is a screenshot to get the proof actually. Basically you will get the proof, basically nothing apart from this actually here. Okay, so if you want to install this app, what you will be going to do is, if you have to just click on the install. This is a basic step. I know I'm thinking that you already know this, whatever the things is there actually. Now it will be going to install this app. Okay, all right, this will be going to install this app. You have to just click on open. Okay, you have to just click on open. So it will be going to, what it will be going to do is it will be going to get the splash screen over here, right? So if you just click on this, see here, right, if you just click on the home, so all relevant to that content you will be going to load it. Okay, if you scroll it, you will get the data, right? So some of the things you will be getting in the home actually. Now like in this categorization, what I did is like sports. In the sports, if you want to look only related to the sports itself, right, so if you just scroll it, the relevant to the sport itself you will be getting. So I forgot to tell you one thing. If you want to get the details about the single news itself, you will just click on this, you will get the relevant data, relevant news over here actually, right? So you will be getting this relevant information over here basically. Okay, so now if I want to go to the relevant to the sports, then you will get the clear relevant to the sport itself here, right? So if you want to get the relevant to the health, then health relevant news also you will be getting here. So you have to just click on that, and what particular news is about actually, that is also you will be getting over here basically. Okay, now if you just go to scroll over the signs, like just like how you will be using the WhatsApp, some similar like that I have implemented here, so you will get clear understanding. So it will be not easy, not difficult for you folks. Okay, you can just click on this. Okay, so you will get the okay, like something relevant to this. So if you just go to the technology related content, like it will be going to load here actually, right? So these are the things that I want to share with you folks, that I have developed this app. So put it into the description part if you want this app to be implemented, so I will be going to upload that part as well. Okay, so just tell me in the description if you want this app to be described. If you want this app, just tell me in the description. Okay, so don't forget to check out the app as well. Okay, I will be putting this app link also in the description, so you can just watch the video and you can just explore this app actually. Okay, so do comment down and what update that you want in the second version of the app. So I will be coming down and working on this app, so it will be very beneficial for you folks. Okay, so to get the app related things, content as well. Okay, so that's about this part. Okay, uh, thanks for checking out this video, folks. So I will be do check out the description part, folks, to get the Play Store link so you can download this app actually. Okay, alright, that's it out there, folks. If you like this video, you can just hit like and you can just share and subscribe to my channel. Nothing apart from that, folks. If you like this app and if you like this content which I am delivering, so you can just